Welcome to our latest video on how to enable notifications on Discord for Android devices. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the simple steps to ensure that you never miss an important notification on Discord again. Let's get started. First, open your Android phone's settings by tapping on the gear icon in your app drawer or swiping down from the top of your screen and tapping on the settings icon. Next, navigate to the apps section in your settings menu. This is where you can manage the settings for all the apps installed on your device. Scroll through the list of apps until you find Discord. Once you've located Discord, tap on it to open the app settings. Inside the Discord app settings, look for the notifications option. It may be labeled as notifications or notification settings, depending on your device. Tap on the notifications option to open the notification settings for Discord. Finally, locate the toggle switch for show notifications and make sure it is turned on. This will allow Discord to send you notifications for messages, mentions, and other important updates. And there you have it. You have successfully enabled notifications for Discord on your Android device. Now you can stay up to date with all the latest messages and alerts from your favorite Discord servers. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.